Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, struggling with outdated cooking methods? Meet the Instant Pot Pro Plus, the game changer that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Customers rave about its powerful cooking capabilities, making it a must-have kitchen tool. Imagine pressure cooking and canning with ease, all thanks to this incredible device. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control your cooking from anywhere in your home. No more rushing to the kitchen, monitor and adjust settings right from your phone. The app-based Start Cooking function is a game changer for busy households. Automatic pre-selected steam release ensures perfect results every time. Cold Start feature makes the healthiest yogurt and perfectly cooked chicken breasts. One-pot dishes have never been easier, making meal prep a breeze. The Nutri-Boost feature enhances the flavor and texture of your rice. Setting up the Wi-Fi is a breeze, connecting seamlessly to your app. The intuitive app offers easy-to-follow recipes for all skill levels. Customers love the ease of use, making it perfect for newbie cooks. The smart Wi-Fi remote functions work flawlessly, adding convenience to your cooking. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is ready to go straight out of the box. The innovative cooking presets take the guesswork out of meal preparation. Advanced safety features provide peace of mind while cooking under pressure. The stainless steel pot with handles makes lifting and stirring effortless. Automatic sealing lid ensures foolproof cooking every time. The app's timed venting option is a hidden gem for perfect grains. Push notifications keep you updated on every step of the cooking process. The durable construction ensures this appliance will last for years. Customers appreciate the smart cooker feature with Bluetooth and wireless connectivity. The app enables manual controls not possible directly on the Instant Pot. Some customers find the cooking time a bit long, but the results are worth it. The app's functionality has room for improvement, but it still offers great features. The touch panel controls and quieter steam venting are welcome improvements. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is a culinary marvel that elevates your cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this device will impress you. Say goodbye to outdated cooking methods and hello to the future of cooking. Instant Pot Pro Plus, the ultimate kitchen companion for delicious, hassle-free meals.